So this is how you can use and enable remote play on Steam. Hey everyone, welcome to our guide for Steam. Today you will learn how to remote play. So this is pretty simple, just go ahead and tap on the Steam logo at the top left corner of the screen and then go to settings. Now that we're here, on the left hand side, as you can see at the bottom-ish, you're going to see remote play. So simply tap on that and now make sure that this is enabled. It's going to say enable remote play, so simply just tap on that. And at the bottom, it says enable advanced host options. You can go ahead and click on that and then just tinker with it however you want to. It's honestly all up to you if you want to do any of these. And how do you actually pair the Steam Link in order to remote play? So, on the other device, you're going to want to download Steam Link. And once you open Steam Link, it's going to give you a code. Now, what you're going to want to do is tap on Pair Steam Link and then type in that code in order to play games and use remote play. So that's pretty much it. Once again, I'm going to show you how to do all of this. Go back to Steam at the top left, Settings, Remote Play, enable it, and enable advanced host options if you want to edit anything from here, and then pair Steam Link. Make sure you download Steam Link, the app, on your other device in order to get the code, and then type the code in so you can link your Steam devices. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.